Start by bringing the needle up from behind the fabric. Pull the thread all the way through and bring the needle down about 4 mm from the starting point. Don't pull the thread all the way through yet. Use your finger to hold the thread above the stitches. Bring the needle up in the same gap as the starting point and now pull the thread all the way through. Bring the needle down, leaving about a 4 mm gap from the previous stitch. Like before, don't pull the thread all the way through, instead hold the thread with your finger above the stitches. Bring the needle up where your previous stitch ended and pull the thread all the way through. Remember to always hold the thread on the same side. Outline and stem stitch are sister stitches. The main difference is the position of the working thread while embroidering. As you work outline stitch from left to right, always keep the working thread above the line of stitching. And when you embroider a stem stitch from left to right, keep the working thread below the stitching line. To do the stem stitch instead of outline stitch, simply change the position of the working thread. When embroidering from left to right, keep the working thread below the stitching line, instead of above like we did for the outline stitch. Here we have both outline stitch and stem stitch right next to each other. As you can see, they are very similar, but the outline stitch is more smooth and the stem stitch looks more like a rope.